Hi friends, let me show you these PUPAOBOOM leather cases that I received for my iPhone 13 Pro Max. You can see how nice the boxes of the cases are. You can use them as a gift box. They open nicely with a magnetic clip here. And look how beautiful they compact, okay? This is a red one and this is a brown one, okay? As you can see, they have, an accessory to put the phone however you need it to see what you are watching in your phone, okay? Look how beautiful the details are, the finish are. Even the leather here is great, okay? And now let me show you the red one, okay? This is also nicely finished, okay? And we are going to try it in my phone, okay? Just snap it in really easily. That's it. You get a perfect fit. The cameras are okay. The Apple logo is still looking here. And as I told you, you can use it as a stand also if you are going to, look at any app like YouTube or whatever. You can see it like this. You can put it like this, and you will be able to use your hands while you are watching whatever you want to see in your phone. As you can see, they look pretty nice. They have all the buttons, the main button here, the up and down volume here. You can access the silence, all silence here switch, and of course the cameras. So and still you can even use it in your shirt pocket. So it's a nice, sleek case, pretty, leather, nicely finished, and really practical with this stand option.